Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Motorola keypad mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to remove number from block list in Motorola keypad mobile. So friends, in your Motorola keypad mobile you want to remove number from block list. So friends, now let's see how to remove number from block list. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, in your Motorola keypad mobile, first of all we will unlock phone. Tap here menu button setting, open your phone setting. After done phone setting friends, you want to check your block list setting. You want to check block number in your Motorola keypad mobile. So friends, select here call setting, okay option, tap here advanced call setting. You want to use in your Motorola keypad mobile, so you can use your advanced call setting. Again tap here okay option. So friends, you can use a block list, auto call recording guys, call time reminder you can use, call limit you can set, reject by SMS setting you can, on vibration setting you can use. Block list setting we will select okay option. Last third option friends, block list number, okay tap here. So friends, you can check here blocked number. So by mistake friends, you have add any number in your block list setting and you want to remove number from block list. Select your number option, delete yes, one contact number will remove. Again select your number, delete yes, one more contact number remove. Again select your number, delete contact number will unblock, and you can call on this number again, and you can receive call from this number again in your Motorola keypad mobile. So friends, again we will on phone call setting, advanced setting, block list setting, block number, select your block number, delete contact number will unblock, contact number will remove from your block list. Again select your number, delete contact number, unblock. So like that friends, you can unblock contact number, you can remove number from block list in your Motorola keypad mobile. Friends, now do you have any doubt, have any problem in contact settings, so you can ask me in comment section. And friends, you want to add any contact number in Motorola keypad mobile, tap here right button, add new contact option, name, number, home number, photo you can select, ringtone you can select, and you can add contact number in Motorola keypad mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.